Social psychology deals with social interactions, including their origins and effects on the individual. So, how does this help us create media that is interesting for others to watch? Well, knowing your audience is a large portion of it. Knowing their emotions and feelings towards topics can help you to create an interesting video that will keep people focused and intrigued on your presentation. As an example, you wouldn't want to start an environmental protection presentation talking about how much you hate the environment, as that would discredit all your work. Even if your presentation has the most important information about protecting the environment, no one would want to listen. Playing into the audience's feelings is a tactic that's been used for a very long time, and it's especially effective at getting people interested in a topic that they may not be otherwise. For myself, public speaking has not really come easy, and I find it a little nerve-wracking to speak to a crowd. But knowing more about social psychology now definitely helped me realize what I should focus on in a presentation and what I should leave out entirely. I feel these tactics can be easily seen once you're informed about them too, and you can tell who's actually invested in what they're talking about and who's just trying to appease the audience. It's important to balance both of these to bring the proper information to the table without making your audience feel bored or confused. I feel like now when I sit down and listen to a presentation, I can determine who really cares about what they're speaking and who's just talking off of a